It's raining in Maynila. Then our Korean friends, Korean friend singer, shout out, ma'am. Okay. Shout out, ma'am. More on Korean songs. Her channel is more on Korean songs. She has a beautiful voice. Shout out, ma'am. Then next is Pin and Danica Vlog, more on cooking channel and shopping channel. Cooking and shopping channel. Yan, masarap yung pagkain, no? Yan. Daming foods, oh. Next shout out to Boss Lando Explorer. Yung mga vlog niya ay mostly update sa mga presyo ng prices sa market sa Santo Malabon market, public market. Yan. Shout out Boss Lando. Akin ang views of Totoki for 7 views. Sana all may 4K na views, almost 5K. Sana all maraming pera. Lakas ng ulan. Okay, we will play one video for Mr. Boss Lando Explorer. Then we will be back. We'll visit another one channel to play a video. To play their video pala. Okay, this one will play this. We'll be back. Okay. This one. Playing each channel. I play one video kung Ma'am Pilder, isang video, isang channel. Okay.